Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is tobinmua. If you are new, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be this fun, neutral glam eye look today. I absolutely love how this look turned out. If you guys do want to see how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be using my Morphe 35V palette. And this is what it looks like, because they all look the same until you open them. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to try and do like a wearable, I'm gonna try and stay, let me just show you guys, I'm gonna try and stay on this side of the palette today and do something a little more wearable for you guys. I don't have many of those up on my channel. I normally play in a lot of color. I absolutely love doing colored looks, and I know you guys enjoy them as well, but also I know you guys want some more toned down looks and a little more of a softer glam, I guess you could say. So I thought today I would do that for you guys, so I pulled out this palette today. If you guys do have this palette or you have something similar to it, then definitely grab that and let's start playing in some colors. So my eyes are already primed, my brows are already done, so we can go straight into the eyeshadow. And I think first I'm going to be going in with this caramel. It's like a caramely shade, a light caramel I would call it. I'm going to go in with that shade, and I'm going to just place that in my crease. Going to be placing that in my crease as a transition shade, just to help the other colors blend. So next I'm going to go in with a little bit of a smaller brush. I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, and I'm going to place that a little bit lower. It's just going to give it a little bit of depth. I'm going to go back in with that first brush without any product on it and just buff that out a little bit. So next I'm going to go in with this deep shade. This is a deeper, just brown. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm placing this on the outer corner. I'm using some patting motions first. Just going to buff that out. I'm going to go in with a pencil brush, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of this black shade in the very outer corner. And the blending brush and just buff that out. I'm also not taking this too high above the crease. I want to keep it as low on the lid as possible. I'm going to go back in with that deep brown shade. So good. So I'm going to take a little bit of my e.l.f. 16-Hour Wear Camo Concealer, and I'm going to be taking, this is a Wet n Wild like tiny eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to be just cutting my crease just like the tiniest bit. So next I'm going to go and I'm just going to go in with a packing brush. I'm just going to go in with another one of these small brushes and take the shimmer shade and just pack this right on top. I'm actually going to take my finger, pack this on. I'm going to go back in with that deep brown shade, just buff that. Of that black shade again. So I'm going to cut the other side off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the other side done. Now I'm going to just add a brow bone shade. I'm just going to take a blending brush and just buff it out. So blend seamlessly the other shades. So for foundation today, I'm going to be going in with one of my favorite foundations at the moment, and that is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is in the shade Amber Beige. I purchased mine at Ulta. They now have a little section at Ulta for Wet n Wild, so I definitely suggest checking out your Ulta. This is a medium dark skin tone with neutral undertones. So yeah, if you guys are my shade, then definitely check out the shade Amber Beige. I absolutely love this, like I said. The only thing I really don't like about it is the applicator. It's not a pump applicator, but I definitely am probably going to be transferring this into a pump applicator soon. But that is the only downfall about this foundation. It does dry matte. It's really, really nice. And if you don't know, I don't set my foundation when I use this one. It's so good. It's like it sets itself. I think it's so, so nice. And I can just go straight in with my powder products, which is really nice. So if you guys want to skip a step, then I would definitely check out Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Foundation. Not have to deal with powder. The only thing I use to powder is my under eye concealer, and that is literally it. Other than that, I don't set my foundation. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my black eyeliner. This is the Maybelline. This is the Infallible black eye pencil. It's a long wearing eye pencil. And I'm just going to run that on my lower lash line and my waterline. So we have that done. I'm going to go in and I'm going to go in with a Morphe M408 brush, and I'm just going to smudge that out a little bit. Now next I'm going to go back in and I'm going to go in with that dark brown shade. I'm just going to pat that right on top. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the black shade and just that real close to the lower lash line. then I'm going to go with my M506 brush without any product on it and just buff all that out. So for today's lashes, I'm going to be going in with some of my favorite style of lashes at the moment. They are by the brand Get It Beauty in the Dangerous collection, and this is in the style Sinner. These are what they look like. So pretty. So I'm going to throw these on really fast and I'll be right back. So I put on the lashes, and after putting on the lashes, I've realized that the lashes that I'm wearing right now are all sold out. I don't know if these lashes are coming back, so if you do have these lashes, pop them on. If you don't, find yourself your favorite pair of lashes and throw those on. I'm absolutely obsessed with these lashes, and I'm so sorry you guys aren't able to purchase these ones. If Get It Beauty has another kind that I really like, I will get those, and then I will show you guys those and just let you guys know about those ones. But right now these ones are like my favorites. So if you do find something on Get It Beauty that you guys do like and you want to save a little bit of money, I do have a coupon code for 10% off, which is tobinmua at getitbeauty.com. So definitely check them out. They have glitters, they have pigments, they have other styles of lashes. Yeah, so definitely check them out, and if you want, you can totally use my coupon code. It would mean so much to me if you did. And yeah, so now I'm going to be going on to the face, and I'm going to be going in with my wiped up blush. I'm going to do that first just because I don't know why I'm going to do that first, but I am. It's more of a coral blush. Let me tell you, these blushes are pigmented, so you really don't need a ton. Yeah, do you see how like pigmented these blushes are? So pigmented. I'm gonna go in with my Forever bronzer on the other side. This is all from the brand Gerard Cosmetics. This is a trio. Remember before, guys, how I said I don't set my foundation? I'm going straight in with powders, and as you can see, it's not disturbing the foundation at all. I swear, guys, this foundation is so good, and the price tag on it is even more amazing. So now I'm going to spray my face with some setting spray. This is the Gerard Cosmetics setting spray in Watermelon. And I'm going to spray my face a little bit so my highlighter has something to stick to. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Ooh, that smells delicious. So next I'm going to be going in with my Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Absolutely love this highlighter. It's one of the best highlighters I have. Put a little bit in my tear duct. I absolutely love this highlight. I think it's so pretty. Ooh, it looks so good. Kind of want to put more in. Can you ever have too much highlight? I don't know. Now on to lips, and for lips today, I'm going to be going in with my Underground lip pencil from Gerard Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. So next I'm going to be going in with one of my favorite liquid lipsticks, and that is the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Posh Spice. And I've talked about this before, this is my new favorite like lip combo right now. I can with a little bit underground. And then, so once you are done with your lip shade, then I'm going to go back in with my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. I do have a coupon code with Gerard Cosmetics. You guys do want to try out their setting sprays. They are so good. Like, I absolutely love them. They smell delicious. All the scents are amazing. And the makeup stays on so long once you spray it. It's like amazing. I use it all the time on my bridal clients. I think it is the best. So if you guys do want to try out one of their Slay All Day setting sprays, definitely check them out. Coupon code tobinmua. I've had it for quite some time now. It's always listed below, as well as other coupon codes and websites that I work with. So if you guys do want to check out the Slay All Day setting spray, then definitely give them a shot. So I'm going to spray my face one last time. Okay, so once you are done setting your face, then you are finished with the look. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this soft glam makeup tutorial. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button and let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of it, as well as hit the subscribe button before you go. You don't want to miss out on a video, so definitely click that bell right next to it so you are notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both those are at tobinmua. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.